Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a PayPal account step by step for beginners. First come to paypal.com. To the top right, click on sign up. It'll actually prompt you to enter your phone number. So choose your country code, enter your phone number, click here on next, and then it'll be asked to set up your profile. So here it'll ask you to go ahead and enter your email address, first name, last name, and you need to create your password. Now, this information needs to be accurate exactly as per your national ID, first name, last name. Okay, click here on next, and then you need to add your address. So use the one that is on your bills, your bank statements, your national ID, your utility bills. Okay, the same exact one, date of birth, address lines, postal number, municipality, depending on your country, and then click on agree and create account. So toggle this one on at least, click on this button, and then they'll ask you what you want to try first. Now you can either shop, you can send money, or you can just skip this, and then they'll ask you to link a card. So you need to do this one if you want your account verified and not limited. So you enter your credit card number, you select the type, whether it's a debit, credit card, expiration date, CVV code, and make sure the billing address is correct, and then you link your card. And there you go. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.